Well, hey there, everybody. It's Ginger, and I haven't made a video in a while. And I was sitting here taking a little break before I start the dinner and reading this magazine. It's probably backwards, but it's The Good Housekeeping. And I wanted to share some tips for y'all, for your busy moms, because I know we like to keep our house clean. So, yeah. All right. So, tip number one: if you have 1 minute, 1 minute. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. You can remove your fingerprints and pet smudges from the front, back, and patio door glass and wipe that off. Like, I am so glad that they put that in there because, like, if I have like 1 minute, I'm like, oh my God, I need to clean my windows. So I'm really glad they put that in there. Oh, if you have 1 minute, this one though, this one, vacuum the doormats. Like, I have 1 minute. I'm going to drag my vacuum out and I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to get them doormats. Oh, girl, them doormats going to look good. When you come to my house, you're going to be like, darn, Ginger's doormats are looking good. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, super simple. Like, if y'all's house is a mess, come on now. 1 minute, like, you got to do it. Okay. You can tackle the trash can. If you have 1 minute to, like, sit and be like, girl, get up and tackle that trash can. You know it's nasty. You can clean that lid and sides. Oh, clean the pedal, because you know the pedal gets nasty too, where the food drips all down it. Clean that pedal. It only takes 1 minute. Okay, fine. I'll let the trash can slide. That junk drawer. You know it looks bad. Girl, you got 1 minute. You ain't doing nothing. You're just like, dump that junk drawer. It says here, in 1 minute, you can tackle your junk drawer and, clean it out, dump it, and get the crumbs out. Oh, well, you got that vacuum out because you already did your mats. Keep that vacuum out. You can do this in a jiffy. Yeah. So, suck up all the crumbs and dust with your hand vac tool and straighten the rest, and then you're good to go on the junk drawer. Like, why is our house a mess? Like, there really is no excuse. There really isn't. Okay, so if you got 15 minutes and you're like, oh, I just don't know what else to do with myself. I have 15 minutes to myself. What can I do? Well, you can spruce up that bathroom. What? Spruce up that bathroom. It's possible to give your bathroom a quick sanitizing. Use your germ-free killing wipes and do, the flush and wipe all your counters down and wipe your toilet and do a little flush. So, yeah, like, I mean, really 15 minutes, like every day, between your nails drying, go spruce up them toilets. Ain't no need for your toilets looking like that because it says if you have 15 minutes, that's all it needs, 15 minutes. Okay. Fine, if you already got the toilets done and you did it less than 15 minutes, girl, this one. Clean them ceiling fans. They nasty and they got all that dust on it. So we're going to clean them ceiling fans because we got 15 minutes and we already shined our toilets, So yeah, clean them ceiling fans. Just get it done. You can do it. Okay. And if you spruced up the bathroom and you did the ceiling fans, you ever and I have hardwood floors and, usually what I do on the hardwood floors, I clean it every season. So you got Christmas, you got Easter. I might hit it in the summertime, hit it in the fall, and then Christmas time. So yeah, I hit my hardwood floors seasons. I like to sweep and vacuum and all that. But like mopping, I am not mopping this 2,500 square foot hardwood floors. I ain't doing it. So yeah, but if you have 15 minutes right here, focus on your hardwood floors. What? This book, girl, this book is what we need, okay? Dust and grit are a wood floor's worst enemies. Ground it up. They can scratch and dull the finish. Quick cleans with a dry mop or a vacuum, because you already got that out for your mats. So, yeah, girl, do it. Ain't no excuse. And then when you finish that up on your way to put the vacuum up, go ahead and unclog that the dryer, you take a little thing down in there and you climb, you try to like, okay, I don't want to really start a fire because I don't have time to be like moving and trying to pack stuff. And then you got to explain to the husband like, sorry, I caught the house on fire because I didn't clean the lint out. So yeah, after you finish the bathroom, the ceiling fans, and the wood floors, go ahead and do a little, in the dryer and get that lint out so we won't have a fire. But really, if you did all that and you have 30 minutes, only 30 minutes, okay? If you have 30 minutes and it's just, it's just so peaceful, nobody's bothering you, and you just feel so relaxed, Clean out the fridge. Take everything out, wipe it down. It says here, no need to do a full-on emptying. Just toss the expired and spoiled foods and move items on the shelf to one side and wipe it, and then move it to the other and wipe it, and rinse and do the same on the other side. Repeat the remaining shelves and bins. Don't forget the door. Don't forget that door because it's nasty. Everybody done touched it. After they went to your clean bathroom and used the bathroom and didn't wash their hands, then they came in and touched your nasty refrigerator. And they did. Okay. You can zap your mildew stains on your grout. Like, only takes 30 minutes. Like, if you have moldy grout in your bathroom, go ahead and clean that. Why are we not doing this? You just spray it with Clorox bleach, 2 or 3 parts of water, and just the stains, and you let it sit just a few minutes while you let your nails dry. And then you scrub and rinse it off with a wet sponge, and done. Listen, this book is on to something. I really would like to meet the person that writes this, and they're like, yes, that's a very good article. I'm glad that you got it, Martha. We're going to put this in the, what issue is this? June. We're going to put that, Martha, thank you. Today, we're going to put that in the issue of how to clean your house as a busy mom. Okay, so let's go on to, yes. If you are not doing this, you are not a mother and you're not a wife, and I don't even know if you're worthy on this earth. Okay. Freshen your sheer curtains. It only takes 30 minutes. Okay. You take down all your sheer curtains and you tumble them dry in the dryer for like 10 minutes. Air only cycle to help eliminate dust and odors. Remove them properly from the dryer and rehang them to help any creases fall out. It really is that simple. Go through your house and get them sheer blinds and just throw them in there and freshen them up. And then hang them back. It's just too simple. We just make it too hard. We just need it spelled out for us. And this book is really helping us. I feel really confident on this. Like, I don't even know why I haven't been doing this. Okay, so, in 30 minutes, you deodorize your fabrics, sprinkle baking soda on your carpet and rugs or whatnot, your beds and upholstery to remove stale odors. Allow to sit for 15 minutes and then vacuum. Get that vacuum out, sprinkle all that, let it sit for 15 minutes, vacuum all that, then put your vacuum up because your other house is clean. Remember, you already mopped your floors and you've already done your rugs. So there really is no reason that you can't get that vacuum out and freshen up your bedspreads with that. Like, I don't even know who came up with this, but they are genius, and I hope they are making the big bucks in New York in a little tiny apartment. I just really hope that they're getting paid for their smarts because it's genius. It really is. Like, if you have 1 hour, like, we have so much time that we just waste. And, if you have 1 hour, put it to good use. We're always talking about like, oh, my house is such a mess and blah, 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 blah. We have all this time just sitting here wasting. You just gotta do something, okay? You're going to revive your mattress. You're going to strip your bed. You're going to steam the surface. You have that steamer. The steamer that you have? The steamer. You're going to steam your mattress, okay? You're going to steam the mattress and you're going to iron and release the odors and kill the dust mites. them dust mites are keeping you up at night. They eating on your skin, okay? That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. You need to get that out of there, okay? You're going to use the upholstery utensils that come with the vacuum. And you're going to get all that out. You're pressing down and getting the fabric into the quilting along the edges. Spray with a fabric sanitizer and let it air dry and get that fresh, that just fresh smell. Everything's clean. Everything's clean. Degrease the kitchen. They're going to give you an hour for that. All the handles, all your, 75 cabinets. Girl, wipe those down. Wipe them down, okay? Wash and dry your pillows. If you have an hour, I have that magic washer and dryer too. Like, you put it in there and it only takes like 10 minutes. And it washes and dries and done all in the 10 minutes. Like, it's like magic. I don't know if y'all have the magic washer and dryer, but if you don't, you need to ask for a washer and dryer for Mother's Day. Like, quit asking for like stuff for yourself. Girl, you need washer and dryer, okay? Get that washer and dryer, the magic one. Get the magic one though, okay? Perk up the patio or the deck. Yes. Go get the pollen off that, all those patio things. And so you can go sit out there by the fire pit and, and relax. You don't need to be thinking about that when you go out there and relax. You need to know, hey, my patio looks like a magazine and I'm just going to go and sit and relax because you have worked so hard and your house is so clean and you're relaxed and you're put together and you're just like, ah. Do this when you have that little extra hour. Go ahead and spruce up that patio so when you're ready to go out there and sit and relax and be like, this is really nice. You won't have to worry about sitting on that pollen or that 2.5-inch thick pollen on your patio furniture. And you're like, well, I was going to sit out here, but not no more because I'm not cleaning that. See, it's already going to be clean for you. Y'all just got to put it together. You need to pick a schedule, write it down, and stick by it. And, if your kids are old enough, you can say, little Ava Marie and little Edward James, come and help and do the patio furniture, and keep your bathroom clean and get it picked up. And, little Jimmy, don't pee on that seat, little Jimmy. Now, Mommy does a real good job cleaning that toilet seat. So, little Jimmy, don't pee on that seat, okay? And have all your clothes put up and all that. We're just going about it all the wrong ways. I just don't know what we are doing with our time because it really is just that simple. It's called, this article, if you want to check it out, because I know I covered a lot. And I know you like to keep the to-do list and you like to keep it, on point and schedule. I know I do. Like, I just keep like a big thick book of all my to-do stuff and I just flip through it and I stay on schedule. That's how I keep my life together. Okay, it's called Speed Clean Every Room. In as little as 60 seconds, you can tidy messes all over the house. And here's what to tackle when time is tickling or ticking. So, anyway, okay, so tackle when time is ticking. That's right. I'm so, I can't even talk because I literally am so excited about this article. I can't even, when you find something and you're like, yes, that is the thing. That's it. That's the one thing. That's the one journal. That's the one scheduler. That's the one app. That's the one, it's just like, yes, this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay? All right, so I'm going to let y'all go because, you have 1 minute. So you can go clean the glass or tackle that trash can, vacuum them doormats. Girl, I'm going to come to your house and look at your doormats. And I'll be like, what was she doing for that 1 minute? Because she didn't get that vacuum out and vacuum her doormats. Not really. That's crazy. That's crazy. Seriously, though, on a serious note, who writes this article. This is not even 1 minute and you're going to clean all these glass doors. Like, it took me 1 minute to find a Windex, you know? And then in the process of someone yelling at you, what's for dinner? What's this? Can you get me this? Can you get me that? Like, I'm not washing windows in 1 minute. And I sure ain't getting that vacuum out. Honey, I'm not getting that vacuum out for no vacuum doormats in 1 minute. I mean, for real. Like, I don't even know, like, how they can, like, legitimately put this in a magazine and be like, this is going to help the women. Yes, Martha. That was an excellent article. We're going to put it in the June issue. Excellent. That's really going to help people. Y'all, we might have picked the wrong job. Like, maybe I should have been an editor. Like, I don't know. But they have, like, a cool job. You know, they just make up stuff in their head and just write it like, So, anyway, thanks for the chat. And I hope all these, quick cleaning tips and things can help and, stop with the overwhelm and the self-worth and all the stuff that us mothers feel. Y'all just need to chill out and wash a toilet, Don't let all that stuff get to you, because you are worth it, and everyone has a minute. It only takes a minute to clean something in your house, so yeah. All right, girl, I love you, and we're doing the best we can. So these little articles, girl, just laugh at it and throw it to the side. This ain't even legit. It's not even legit. Do not let this article dictate who you are and what you're trying to do and all that stuff. Really don't. It's not even realistic. This article is not even realistic. But all right, I just want you to know God loves you and I love you, and you go have a good day. And if you can find 1 minute, girl, go in the bathroom and shut the door and get on Facebook and scroll, don't be cleaning no toilet or cleaning the glass or vacuuming doormats. All right? All right. See you later. See ya.